Hey guys, it's Riz, and as you can see here, I have a box. Okay. In this box, we have Grossery games and bug strike. So, this out of here. Yeah. Ooh. This is my first time looking at this box. Because I ordered it off Amazon, so anything could have came out of it, so here's what we have. Focus. Yeah. Okay, there. Wait. Focus. Okay. So we have, let's do a quick, well, it's not really focus, but let's do a quick show of what we have here. Those 8. Okay. So, my goal is to collect the whole entire collection. 150 to collect, so that's gonna be kind of hard. But we do have 1 or 2 packs, so guys, I will see you when the box is open. Okay guys, we opened the box, and first, we have PVT Rusty Razor. Now, next, let's see what we have. The next one we have here is in the Foot Soldiers. He is Smell Shocked Sock. On to the next one. This one here is in the Medics category, and he is Gen Germinator. This one is in Desert Warfare, and he is COL Disgusted. Okay, so the visible bug we have is in the Bug Brigade, and he is Sergeant Rotroach. And when I said SGT, I meant Sergeant. And when I said MAJ, if I did say it, I meant Major. And if I said GEN, I meant General. So on to the next one. Next, from the Army Preserves, we have Private Scummy Honey. Next, from the Foot Soldiers, we have Sir Sloppy Slipper. This is probably my second favorite one. It's Sergeant Grease Cake. The bug was probably my favorite because I didn't have one yet. But sorry if it's a little blurry. But this is Sergeant Grease Cake, and he is from the Desert Warfare, so I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so finally we have our this. So let's open them up. Okay, let's start with this one. I feel smushy. We have, whoa, okay. So here we have Major Maggot from SWAT. And then last but not least, we have this guy. I wonder who he is. Whoa, okay. Whoa. So, here, we have another person from, I believe, the Bug Brigade. Now, let me see if I can find him. Okay, I'm looking up, maybe hair colors? I don't see them there. Okay, let's look in the Bug Brigade. Nope, he would be in the hair colors, actually. Okay. Oh, I found him. He's Commander Dragonfly. I like that guy. His name is cool. And now, for the tools. Yeah, if they would open. Don't you guys look for tools? Okay. Okay, I got one of them out. Okay, we got both of them out. Okay, so We have this and this. So we can't see that well that close up. So there's that. And then there's that. Okay. Let's see who they belong to. Okay. This guy has this one. Okay. And this guy has, put it in your very sticky hand. Okay, guys, so this 10-pack also includes this awesome slingshot, which it says has put together, and it also includes the parachute. And here is the rubber band for this. So I believe what you can do is go, I don't really know how to set this up. I'm imagining you would do something like, oh yeah, I see. You have to get closer for this side. I think it'd be easier. Something like that, so that way you could do, yeah. So that's how you set it up, basically. Doing that. And then it goes launch. So let's try to launch this disc and see what happens. So, ready to launch. Okay, so launch it this way. Whoa, it came back over here. Okay, and then it includes the parachute, which I do not know how to set up, but I'll probably figure it out later. Now, as overall, this is what we got. This guy is, okay, so favorite, second favorite, third favorite, and fourth favorite, probably. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, and comment for more. Austin